Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ke Sorkar Jylla handuk mentah kadang up ya kejing pelat Pisa. Nak Sorkar Pdeng ban Siew ya Tulop Nonghikai School SSA. Kepala saat teng mentala arbenai genti. Hadir Nonghikai SSA kila ya Tulop khaddo hau benai nok pra jong usnam arajar arpuar. Hakapai day bakani usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Preston tensong hakakat santrek uleber arajar arpulai. Ulah khad da kejing alang yakinong yalam jong Nonghikai School SSA. Bala mikmat u Presiden uba Aristotle si rembai haringkat kejing adon lang jong Menteri Keterangan Puli Buti urakam sangma. Urakam sangma hakajing keren begilat patai kubur. Ulai tu balarai ban Siew Tulop tista syagi Nonghikai School SSA. Mana kejuk kopor kami iru kejing keren halor kejing rawa jong Nonghikai School SSA. Baka Sorkar kan Siew no ya area kepadang sateng.
Today we come and met the Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tensong in the presence of Honorable Education Minister Rakam and the Secretary Education Ambros Marak. So at the meeting we have discussed on 4 agendas. Number 1, to put more budget provision in the state budget for SSA for this current financial year 2023-24. See why we put this agenda and discuss with the government. I think all of us we have seen what happens last year. Most of the time we have to come out to the street to demand for our salary. So this time we from the association we feel the need of the hour for the government to put more budget provision for SSA in the state budget so that the same problem will not arise regarding the irregular payment of SSA teachers' salary. So the Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tensong and the Honorable Education Ministers Rakam, both of them they have give us positive response. They have told us that the government will work out and will put more budget provision in the state budget for SSA so that if the fund come late from the central government, the state government will be in a position to at least pay the salary of SSA teachers at least for 3 months from the state budget. So this is the first agenda we have discussed. Agenda number 2 we have discussed regarding the vacant posts of teachers in SSA lower primary and upper primary school in the state of Meghalaya. I think all of you are aware that many of the SSA schools in the state of Meghalaya, the posts of teachers stand vacant due to resignation of teachers expired and retired. So we have discussed on this issue and they have informed us that the problem why the government till date they have not approved the proposal sent by the respective school managing committee for advertisement and to fill up this vacant post is they are doing the rationalization of the teachers. So during this course of action, they have met problems. The problem is that there are some SMC which are not willing to accept those teachers or to take those teachers from the school and to appoint them to other school where there is more student enrollment. So the government now they are in a process they are trying to solve this regarding these issues. Regarding 2 issues, that is the enhancements of salary and to regularize the post of SSA teachers. I think you remember on 21st July 2022 during our protest, the Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers of Preston Tensong have called us for a talk. And on that meeting, unanimously we have taken a decision that these 2 issues will be taken up in the Meghalaya State Education Commission. So the need of the hour is now the state government to appoint the full chairman of the Meghalaya State Education Commission and also its member so that this commission will be in operational so that our issue will be addressed by the commission. The teacher's salary from the account of the district mission coordinator to the account of the respective teachers. So regarding this, the Deputy Chief Ministers of Preston Tensong have informed us that on 19 December last year, the State Project Director have issued a letter to all the respective district mission coordinator and instructed each and every school managing committee to furnish details information of teachers like bank details and so on. Added to this, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister informed us that a reminder letter was also sent on 16 January this year. So this process, this whole process is going on. So very soon the department concerned will complete this entire process in order to transfer the salary of SSE teachers from the account of the district mission coordinator directly to the account of the respective teachers. Number 4, we have discussed to appoint the chairman and the member of the Meghalaya State Education Commission. As all of us, we are aware that on 9th November last year, the cabinet have approved to set up the Meghalaya State Education Commission. We have also met the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong on 1st December last year, and during on that meeting, he had informed us that the state government have appointed the search committee headed by the Chief Secretary, and today the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong and the Education Minister Sarakam, they inform us that the search committee have already sit down one meeting. So very soon they will sit down for a second meeting to identify who will be the chairman and the member of the Meghalaya State Education Commission.
This is a association. They have met us or in the chamber of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in his capacity. I think Sir Deputy Chief has called us a meeting where I was also there, and the Secretary Education was also there, and we have discussed the length and breadth and certain issues that has been led off by the association. Look for regular release of the salary and pending area, all these things. So we have told them that we are on job. I think we are trying our best to sort it out the issue. So this is what the discussion was. It's 2 months only, because we have clear up to the month of December. We are awaited the ministry to release, and next 15 days I think we'll come to know. I think we are expecting soon to release the second installment of the ministry within this month, because I have not received the copies of the memorandum, but I think issue will be the same. Expect. Look, we are awaited. There are some fund here in the department, but that may not be enough for all of the 3 months. But we are awaiting. We are awaiting for the fund to be released by the ministry, and during this next 15 days, I think we are expecting some positive outcome of the ministry. We have written. We have done our job as a state government. We have sent all the formalities of the requirement, and we are just awaiting the release. We have come into discussion. We are on the job. We are planning to do our best on our part. So we understand. Like, look, I'm always again and reiterate, teachers is on our priority. And at any cost, we will try our best to sort it out the issue, what happened maybe. So if there is a way, we'll find out the way, and we will get the way.